Hello, my name is Steve Bigelow with the Candlestick Forum. This week, it looks like there are more weak trades or bearish trades than bullish trades. As we saw on Wednesday, the candlestick analysis provides a very strong reversal potential. Notice when they gapped the Dow up in the overbought condition, gapped it up in the overbought condition is an important illustration of what's going on in investor sentiment. One of the basics of candlestick analysis from the Japanese rice traders is, where do most people buy? They buy exuberantly at the top. The same scenario was seen over in the NASDAQ. Notice the hanging man doji in the overbought condition. We know the simple rule of both the hanging man and the doji. The price is usually going to move in the direction of how they open after the doji. In this case, if you didn't take profits up here, or take a little bit of profits, the fact that we woke up and saw the pre-market futures were going to make the markets open a lot lower told you that you should be prepared to close out positions immediately. So the strong sectors going into this week are toys and hobbies and retail. Some strong bearish sectors are the home builders and supply, computer software, and internet information. As we can see, things like Fastenal did a big evening star signal. That's a good one in the builders and supply area to go short. TENB, kind of a bearish flutter kicker, closing below the T line. CDLX, internet information. You can see how it failed at the T line and failed at the 50, making at least down into this area your next likely target. The biotechs, I don't know why that one's in here. Biotechs are not working well. It's the toys and the hobby stocks that are working well. A J-hook pattern, classic pattern, and OSW. And the retailers like Abercrombie Fitch, you can see the bobble breakout in this area. So you want to take a look, if you're bullish on those two sectors, the toys and hobbies and retailers. And another area that is kind of hard to track down is the merger companies. We've been long SHLL ever since it came out of the cradle pattern, fry pan bottom, J-hook pattern, and notice the indecisive pullback. This is an important reason to know the nature of each candlestick formation. Gapped up, pulled back indecisively. Use the T line as support. Pulled back indecisively, closed above the T line. After market trading, looks like it's going to open up somewhere in this range, giving you another prospect of a J-hook pattern, continuing this fry pan bottom breakout. That'll be it. We've got to see how the markets open on Tuesday. As long as you're below the T line, stochastics heading down, consider the more profit taking until they can close back up above the T line. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.